Hello everybody, nice to meet you all. This is my community tank which contains different types of fishes which include these African cichlids of different patterns and colors. I have twist spot gourami, I have this silver tip tetra, I have this leopard bushfish, I have this Balearius they're native to my country. I have two spot barb as well. They are quite shy and elusive creatures. They come out rarely to greet. If you like this channel, do subscribe to the channel as well and give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.